Hey there, Trailer Park fans, it's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. Today I'm showing you an easy recipe using eggplant. I have a great Fairytale Eggplant here today, and you're probably thinking some sort of Parmesan or whatever it is. Well, guess what? Today we're going to be making this eggplant into fries in our air fryer. I'm going to show you up next.
She's bringing the Trailer Park lifestyle to the world. Come inside, don't be shy, cause Jolene can't wait to meet ya. She's the queen of the park. She's got gossip news and lots of food to feed ya.
First up, you're going to chop up the eggplant so it looks like fries. Prepare a breading bowl, 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, 2/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Mix that around. Then, in another bowl, put 3 eggs and 3 tablespoons of water and mix that around. Next up, coat your pieces of eggplant in all-purpose flour. Lightly spray your air fryer. Next up, take your floured eggplant slices and put it in the wet egg bowl. Now take the slices and put them in the dry bowl and get them well coated. Now place the slices on a single layer on your air fryer basket, and we're going to put them in the air fryer for 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them and they should get crisp like French fries. Set your timer. And there you have it, my eggplant fries. So crispy, great with some ketchup. I can't wait to try them. So different and good. I hope you get a chance to make them. Don't forget to follow me, Jolene Sugarbaker, and the Trailer Park Cooking Show. Bye-bye.